Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Toyota Camry. First, let's start by lightly sketching the car's basic shape. Think of it as a simple box on wheels to get the overall dimensions right. Then, we'll establish the main body lines and the positions for the wheel arches. It's crucial to focus on getting these initial proportions accurate as they form the foundation for your entire drawing. Don't press too hard with your pencil at this stage. Now, let's break down the Camry into simpler geometric shapes. Imagine the main body as a rectangle and the cabin as a slightly tapered trapezoid on top. Make sure the wheels are positioned correctly and are approximately 1/4 the height of the car for a realistic look. Carefully observe the angles of the windshield and side windows. These details help capture the Camry's distinctive profile and make your drawing recognizable. With the basic structure in place, it's time to add the finer details that bring your Camry to life. Start by sketching the distinctive headlights, the front grille, and the bumper details. Then, move on to the side, adding the door lines, side mirrors, and any window trim. As you refine these elements, gradually make your lines darker and more confident. This step truly defines the car's features and gives it character. Finally, let's add the finishing touches to your Toyota Camry drawing. Carefully erase any remaining construction lines that are no longer needed. Then, introduce subtle shading to give your drawing depth and dimension, especially under the car and within the wheel wells. Highlight key areas where light would hit, making the car appear more three-dimensional and realistic. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Practice makes perfect, so keep drawing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.